Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yoga Kusuma. In this video, I want to show you how to do management identity in user. Management identity is useful when you have a large network and you use a MikroTik device as your network device. And management user is very important so your MikroTik router don't get hacked or accessed by someone the that you don't know. So for identity here, just type set a system identity, set name, then the name is R1. You can make it same like in the topology here. Then for management user, there is something that you must know about management user. In MikroTik, there is a three default access if you want to add a new user. And to show the default access of user, you can use this command user group print. Okay, here there is a 3123 type access of user in your MikroTik device. The first is read. The read user just can see the configuration and can add or remove the configuration of your MikroTik router. The write access can add or remove the configuration of your MikroTik router, but it can reset MikroTik router or add a new user to your MikroTik router, and the full access can do anything to your MikroTik router. It's why if you use user print, the system default user is using a group full, so it can do anything that the user wants. But the problem is the default user of MikroTik don't have a password, so it's very dangerous if someone want to hack into your network. So you must add a new user to secure your MikroTik device. To add a new user, you can use command user add name. Here I will create three different user with a different group too. The first is user with group read, and the password I will set this password. Then the second user is the user in the group write with password this, and third and is the user with the group full, and type the password here. Alright, and then user print make sure that the user that you add is already here. There's admin read with group read, admin write with group write, and admin full with group full. Then you always make sure that the system default user is being disabled or remove the system default user. To disable, you can just use user disable numbers 0 because the system default user is in the 0 in the position of the system default user is 0 here in the hashtags line. And if you use user print, here you can see flag that means x means disabled, or you can just remove by using user remove numbers 0, then user print. As you can see here, the user is now gone. It has been removed, so you are no longer can access your MikroTik device by using admin user. So here I want to test all of the user, admin read, admin write, and admin full, and I will show you the difference. Here I will begin with admin write first, admin read first, and then enter the password. Here admin read can do this, like IP address print, but it cannot do this, IP address address. This just for example, and then interface enter 2. As you can see, the microcontroller will have the notification that says not enough permissions. So the admin read just can see the configuration of your microcontroller, but it can change, like add the new configuration or remove the configuration that you have on your microcontroller. So the next is user with group write. Here this user can do this, IP print, or do this, IP address address 0, wait, this, and the interface is enter 2, IP address print. As you can see, the configuration of the IP address is now added. So the thing that this user cannot do is this, user add name user, then password is this, and the group is full. So admin write or the user on the group write can add a new user nor reset configuration. System reset configuration no default. Yes. Wait. We can reset configuration. Oh no. As you can see here, the admin in the admin write or the user in the write group cannot reset configuration of your router. Now I will log in to admin, go here, then the password is this. In this user, you can do anything you want, like reset configuration or add a new user. And not IP address, but user add name. Here I will just use the name is admin admin secret here, and the password is this. The group is full, and when you add a user, you can also add an IP address. So this this user, this admin secret user, just can be accessed if you have the right password, also the same address that you enter here. For the example, I will use address this. Okay, then I will use the user print, and admin secret is now added to the user list. So the next thing I will do is open my box here, IP address print, and then I will try to remote my router with admin full first. Right. Okay, as you can see, I can remote it, but if I use admin secret and the password with the password, I can show you the password, but it's the correct password. If I connect this, it I cannot connect, or I cannot remote the MikroTik router by using this user. And if you want to do that, if you want to access your MikroTik router by using this user, you can change your IP address manually in network connection here, and choose what kind of network that you use. Here I use Wi-Fi, and then click properties, then search for IPv4, and click this use the following IP address. And in this user, the address that I want to access this user is 192.168.0.200. Accept plus, then the default gateway. Don't forget the default gateway here. And the DNS server, I will use the Google DNS server. Then click OK. You just click yes in here. OK. if you open MTCNA here, wait, if you open a comment from here and check your IP address, it successful change. So that you want to do is just open your box, then click connect, and as you can see, I can remote my MikroTik router if I use the IP address that out in this user. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.